Hey guys, Kirkshinta here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I wanted to talk about the 10x income system, and I want to go over the process. What is the process of advertising your business, getting everything started and set up, and being in position to make $297 commissions? Let me first start off explaining what the 10x income system is, and then I'll explain the process. Okay, so the 10x income system is a make money online income system where you can make unlimited $297 commissions. The point of this system is that what they will do for you is they will advertise your business for you using Google advertising. So this is for people who you don't want to do organic marketing. You don't have time for organic marketing. You haven't yet learned or mastered organic marketing, and you would like for somebody to advertise your business for you so that when you do make a commission, you can make that passively. That's who the 10x income system is for. Okay. So that said, that's what the system is. The system is being updated with more training. Right now, there's a training in there on how to use what is it called? It's like a Craigslist like site if you wanted to get some organic sales. So let me be clear. You can use this system to advertise organically on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok, things like that as well. And certainly there are many people in our tribe that are doing that in addition to getting passive sales from the advertising that the owner does. So pretty much it says right here, this program is for anyone who, isn't techie, doesn't want a complicated setup, is looking for autopilot traffic, things like that, who wants a passive system. It's $297 one time to join, no monthly for the actual system. And then the owner is actually here. She is, she owns an advertising agency. So she's the one who's doing the advertising for us on Google. Okay, so that's how that works. So the steps are pretty much you join, you purchase, and you order your traffic. I'm going to explain that in a second on the side here. So let me take a minute and jump over here. Before I jump over into the process, I did want to actually take you into our group and show you some of the results of some of our members. So we have lots of members, celebrating getting their traffic, talking about the process, so on and so forth. There was an announcement here. She's going to put a new organic traffic strategy in the back office. So she keeps the group pretty updated on a daily basis in the Facebook group. So once you join, you definitely want to join the Facebook group. We have people right here talking about the traffic rotation, so on and so forth. And that's pretty much that. So what I wanted to show you was, okay, so we have this person here, and this is just a testimony. She said, I was in Facebook jail, but a passive payment came through. She made $1,800 so far. She's been in this industry for 6 years. She went through so many programs and systems. She haven't seen anything like this. So that's pretty much that. So she is saying, hey, this works. I was able to get passive income from this system. Okay. And there's tons of other ones like this, people getting into the rotator, things like that, so on and so forth. Yeah, so here's another passive one that came up. Woke up to $297 commission. So I'm not going to spend too much time on that because I really just want to make this quick video and explain the process for the 10x income system and how that works. Okay, so let me go ahead and go through the system. So the way it works to get set up with this type of income system is you join the 10x income system. Again, it's a one-time $297. Once you do that, you will have to get a website. Let me actually put that in here. And once you join the 10x income system, you will see that pop up. So you will get a website. You will order a website, and it's $19.95 a month for hosting for that. And the reason why, and no, you cannot use a website that you already own. And the reason being is because it has to be a system that the that they know how to manage. So it's their website. Okay, so it's $19.95 a month to be able to have your website. You have to have a website to be in business. Okay, now once you join the 10x income system, you pay your $297. You got your website hosting set up. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to get access to a back office. You're going to come into your back office. This is what it looks like. Okay, so you're going to come into your back office. Let me move my head over here. You're going to come into your back office and you're going to watch all the videos. All these videos are like less than like 5 minutes each. Okay. Oh, sorry. You're going to come in. You could do this in a day. You come into your back office. Oh, I got to log back in. Hold on. Let me pause this. Okay, so you come into the back office, and right here on the side, it's gonna say how to set up your 10x income system. You're gonna watch this video. It says 60 minutes, but like I said in some of my previous videos, it's not. Originally, when she uploaded, it was 60 minutes, and now it's 12 minutes. This video is the longest video. It just shows you how to set up your 10x income system. The next thing you're gonna do is watch these two videos on PayPal and Stripe. How to submit your PayPal and Stripe information. You do not have to use PayPal or Stripe. Or you have to use one or the other, but you don't have to use both. So if you don't have credentials for, like, I don't use PayPal, and nor do I have credentials for it. So I just put in some random numbers and then I put NA because I don't use PayPal, but I did submit my Stripe information. So if you had Stripe, or I'm sorry, other way around. If you had PayPal but you didn't have Stripe, you would do the same thing, okay? Or you could use both payment processors and put both payment processors on your website. Okay. Now, the next step is you're gonna let me actually take you over to my diagram because I kind of explained it better over here. So I already said that you would join the 10x income system, get your website, log into your back office, watch the videos and follow all the directions. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna request your site. So right here it says order your 10x income system. That's where you're going to request your site. Right here, you click on it and you watch the video, and then after you're done watching the video, you click on where it says links. Okay, and right there it says request your site. You're going to order your 10x income system. They're going to set up your system, your marketing system for you. Okay, now what I want to explain about that is once you request your site, within, I would say, like 24 to 40 hours or less, you're going to receive a confirmation email that they received your request for your site. Okay, that's that. Once you receive that, you're going to sit back and wait for up to 7 days for your site to be set up and delivered to you via email. It's very important to check your spam email. Mine was sitting in my spam filter because my Google be doing the most. I don't know about other people Google or Gmail. My Gmail be doing the most. So it was an email just sitting up there in my spam filter. So wait up to 7 days for your site to be set up and delivered to you via email. Now, for those of you who are watching, you're like, 7 days. Here's the thing. This is not like affiliate marketing where you join a system and you get a duplicated link and it's automatic. Nope, not like that. This is an actual like advertising process, and it's not for people who are impatient. I'm going to say that right off the bat. If you are one of those like anxious, like impatient people, not the system for you. And that's just me just being upfront. But anyways, you wait for up to 7 days for your reseller link to be distributed to you. I would encourage you, when you get that reseller link, to go ahead and put that in a notepad somewhere so you have your reseller link. Okay. And that's the link that you will, if you were doing organic advertising, you would share that with people there. Also, that would be the link that you're also going to give to the system when you are purchasing your traffic. Okay. Now, once you get your reseller link, you can log back into your back office right over here, and it's going to say 10x Traffic Suite. Okay, so you'll click right here where it says 10x Traffic Suite, and you'll read all the questions or all the read all the FAQs, stuff like that. Make that happen, and then once you've done that, you're going to click on where it says links, and you have access to 4 advertising packages. You can watch the video, read through all of this, what each traffic package costs. This one costs $60. I think this one's $80, $100, and $110, and $200. Okay. Now that is you get that for advertising package for 30 days. Actually, she made an announcement in a group. Advertising packages will now be for 60 days. So if you purchase this package, it will last you for 60 days instead of 30 days. So that is a new update. Okay, I'll make a separate video about that. All right, so now that you've requested your traffic, you're gonna wait up to 7 days for notification that you are put in the advertising rotate. Remember, there's hundreds of people come into the system. You have to be put, your advertising has to be put into rotation. Okay. And the beauty of this is that it's Google advertising. So I trust Google advertising over solo ads, over a lot of other type of janky advertising that's out there, because Google advertising, YouTube advertising, Facebook advertising are what real business people use. Okay. Now, once you're getting real, so basically what I'm trying to say is between ordering your system and getting your link in rotation, it can be up to a 14-day or 2-week process. So patience is key. You know, when you're filling out your information, where it's asking your Stripe credentials, your PayPal credentials, make sure you fill out the form correctly and that you take your time, and trust the process. Okay. This system, again, is for people who don't know how to advertise, brand, or build, communities like Facebook groups, Facebook profiles, TikTok, or all that on their own, and they want a way to passively advertise. But here's the thing, and this is full disclosure: paid advertising is not for everybody. And here's why. Paid advertising, it doesn't mean that because you paid for advertising that you're going to just sit back and you're going to necessarily have all these sales that come in instantly. Okay. Paid advertising is also a process, but the difference is you don't have to do the legwork of advertising your business. Somebody else is advertising your business for you. That's the key difference. Okay. I wanted to explain that because I have another business that I actually do paid advertising for. And I will be coming back to my channel and actually doing some case studies so that people start understanding paid advertising. And I'll start sharing with you guys some of the things that I've learned and the amazing results that I've been getting with paid advertising, actually through Google advertising as well. So I'll be coming and sharing those results in the next couple weeks with you guys. But anyways, I hope this was useful. I'm going to hop off of here. I just wanted to explain the text income system process. Feel free to screenshot this or whatever. If you're ready to join, the link is in the comment section. Smash the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.